Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today we'll show you how to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Check message status and active status. Step 1. Open Instagram on your iPhone or Android. Step 2. Go to your Instagram DMs, where all your private chats are stored. Step 3. Find the conversation with the person you suspect has restricted you. Step 4. Check if your messages are marked as sent but never seen, which could be a red flag. Step 5. Look for their active status. If they're online but your messages remain unseen, they might have restricted you. Method 2. Check their profile and posts. Step 1. Open Instagram and visit the profile of the suspected user. Step 2. Notice if you haven't seen their recent posts in your feed lately. Step 3. Leave a comment on one of their posts to test things out. Step 4. Check if your comment is visible to you but not to others. Ask a friend to help verify. Step 5. If your comment is hidden from others, it's likely you've been restricted. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.